Alright guys, Pitbikesonic, and in today's video I'm going to give one of you lucky subscribers the chance of winning a race weekend racing for me for free on my 125 Moto powered CRF70 pit bike. I will give you more information on how you can have the chance of winning a weekend's racing with me later in the video. But before we start that, a lot of you guys have been asking me to do some more onboard footage, which I haven't done for a long while. So before I get to how you got the chance of winning that, I'm going to quickly show you a onboard footage from my last race at Clay Pigeon at the weekend, which was the best race in the pouring rain, which we did come second in, but after a jump start penalty we dropped to third. So make sure to watch that and stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win a weekend's racing with me. Right, so I really hope you enjoyed that on board from the last race at Clay Pigeon. I really enjoyed the race. It was really good, even though the conditions were horrible. I do actually enjoy riding in the wet. And yeah, it was a really good result, and it's the closest we've finished to first all season. So yeah, really good race. Right, now to the bit you've all been waiting for, how you can enter to win a race weekend on my 125. So we'll start on with how you can enter, and that's the simple part. Literally, like this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Even if you're already subscribed to the channel, you'll still enter, and comment below hashtag Pitbikesonic. So that's how you enter. Right, now you're going to want to know the dates that I'm doing this. Now, the 2 rounds that you can choose from will be Rowrah, which is in 2 weeks' time, weekend of the 13th of August. And the other round, if you can't do Rowrah, is at Llandow, which is in October, and that is the 10th, the weekend commencing the 10th of October. You can just do the Saturday and Sunday. I know it's hard to get off Fridays, but if you want to do the Friday practices for both meetings, you're more than welcome to do them as well. It's still free of charge if you win the competition. So that's Friday, Saturday and Sunday, but Friday is optional. What do you need then? You don't need a license, you don't need anything like that. You literally need to turn up with suitable race leathers, boots, helmet, gloves, and that is it really. Somewhere to stay over the weekend as well, either that in camper van, caravan or a hotel nearby. That's totally up to you. So it's simple as that, no license needed. All I ask is that you can ride a bike, no race experience necessary, but you know how to ride a bike, change gears, and just generally know how to operate a bike. That is all I need to know for you to have a chance of winning a race weekend with me. You're also thinking, why am I doing this? Won't I lose loads of points in my Moto Team Championship? No, I won't, because in the Moto Team Championship, more than one rider can ride the bike throughout the season and still score the same points on the same bike. So to me, you are actually riding for me. So yeah, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and then comment hashtag Pitbikesonic on this video, and I will be choosing a winner on Saturday. So it is Tuesday today, Tuesday night I'm now uploading this, and I will draw a winner at Saturday at some point. So then it gives you a whole week if you want to do the Rowrah round to get the time off work, or if you don't want to do that, the Llandow one later in the year. If the person who wins this does choose the Rowrah weekend, I will do this competition again for the Llandow weekend. So guys, yeah, make sure you enter. It's a really great prize, and I really look forward to seeing the person who wins come and racing at the weekend at a Fab Race meeting, and I'll also vlog that weekend to see how you get on. Cheers guys for watching, best of luck in entering the competition, and I look forward to seeing one of you at a race weekend racing this bike. See you later guys, bye bye.